Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, here in this given problem, this is the wheel and the three forces acting on it. The first one, which is acting perpendicular to the circumference, having a magnitude 11.9 Newton. Another force acting along a tangent and having a magnitude 8.50 Newton, and the third force which is making an angle of 40 degree with the radius of this wheel, and that force is 14.6 Newton. So this force may be resolved into two components. One of the component radially out, that will be 14.6 into cos 40 degree, and another component tangential component, that will be 14.6 sine 40 degree. Radius of this wheel, that is given as 0.350 meter, and torque will not be created by those force which are along the radius, either radially in or radially out. Torque cannot be given by the radial forces. Whether these are radially in, for example 11.9 Newton, or these are radially out, for example component of 14.6 Newton force, which is 14.6 cos 40 degree. So the two torques here, torque created by 8.50 Newton, tau 1, that will be 8.50 Newton multiplied by the radius, the perpendicular distance of the line of action of this force from the center, from the axis of rotation. So this is 0.350 meter, and it is calculated to be equal to 2.975 Newton into meter, and that is counterclockwise in direction. And another torque tau 2, that will be given by 14.6 sine 40 degree. So this is, the force is 14.6 multiplied by sine 40 degree Newton multiplied by again the radius 0.350 meter. So this torque tau 2 comes out to be equal to 3.285 Newton meter, and that is in clockwise direction. So net torque acting on the wheel, that is equal to algebraic sum of these two torques, means tau 2 minus tau 1, because their directions are opposite. So that will be given by 3.285 minus 2.975 Newton meter, and it comes out to be equal to 0.31 Newton into meter, and it is in clockwise direction, which is the answer for this given problem here. Thank you.